If you would like to delete your avatar on Duolingo, this is the right video for you. So first thing first, you have to launch your Duolingo application. As you do so, make sure that you are logged into your specific Duolingo account. Now let's access our avatar. So tap onto your profile. You will see a page like this. Now there is no direct way where you can simply go ahead and remove your avatar, but you can simply change your avatar if you were not satisfied with your current one. So this is my avatar. If you would like to change it, tap onto it, wait for it to load, and you can change the tone color, the glasses, the hair, and mustache if you have any. A hat, you can have it, and also a background color. Now, once you're satisfied, you may go ahead, tap on done on your top right hand side. Wait for this to load, and now you have just deleted your older avatar and created a new one. Just like so, guys, this is how you can do it. Thank you all for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.